Hello everyone, now you will see a review of Norwegian camping SVEASTRANDA. This is a reception and next to it there is a small shop where you can buy fresh buns every morning. Very large and comfortable places for motorhomes. Almost all places have electricity and water connection. Great playground for children. Restaurant with good prices. The weather is bad, you can sit in the pavilion. Large beach for swimming dogs. 10 sites right on the lake shore. Places for walking. You can charge the car. You can play golf. Many cottages at different prices. Children's swimming beach. A cassette washing machine. You can fill the motorhomes with drinking water. Drain dirty water from your motorhome. Toilets and showers are very clean. There is a hair dryer. You have to pay for a shower. Card is sold at the reception. The room where you can wait in the line for a shower and toilet. Washer and dryer machine. Pay with a card what is sold at the reception. The kitchen has everything for cooking. With a beautiful view from the windows. This is such a wonderful Norwegian camping site. You won't regret it. Quiet, great clean air. What else do you need for a relaxing trip?